Hi everyone, I am Yamini, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to learn Unit 1 Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming using Java. In this video, we will understand the basic OOPS concept such as class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Let's get started. Next, what is OOPS?
The overview of OOPS stands for an Object-Oriented Programming System. It is a programming approach where software is designed using object instead of only function and logic. Each object represents a real world entity and contain both data and behavior. OOPS helps us write a program that are easy to understand, maintain and reuse. Next one, a diagrammatical representation of OOPS. In a diagrammatical representation, that is a traditional programming, we focus only on procedure and function. But in object-oriented programming, we focus on modeling real-world objects such as students, car or bank account. Each object contains properties and actions. This makes a large program more structured and organized. Next one, class. Class is a blueprint or template for creating an object. It defines a property, also called attribute, and behavior called methods. For example, a class called car may be attribute like color and speed, and method like start to stop. The class itself do not represents a real object, but it defines how objects should behave. Next, definition for class. This is a diagrammatical representation of class. The simple put, a class is a user-defined data type that groups data and function together. It helps in organizing code and improve reusability. Next one, object. In an object, that is an object is an instance of class. It represents a real world entity that occupies a memory and perform action. It is a car is called a class. Then a specific car like a red BMW is an object. Objects interact with each other in an object-oriented programming. Next one, inheritance. In an inheritance, allows one class to acquire the properties and method of other class. The existing class is called a parent class, and the new class is called the child class. Inheritance helps in code reuse and reduce a redundancy. For example, a vehicle class can be inherited by car and bike class. Next one, polymorphism. In a polymorphism, means one name, many forms. It allows the same method or operation to behave differently based on the object. For example, the method called draw may draw a circle, rectangle or triangle depend on the object used. Next one, abstraction. In abstraction means hiding unnecessary detail and showing only essential information. It helps user focus on what an object does rather than how it is do it. For example, when you drive car, you only use the steering and pedals without knowing the internal engine works. Next one, encapsulation. In an encapsulation, let's think about this an example for that is an tablet. The encapsulation means wrapping a data and method together into a single unit. It's it's protect data from unauthorized access and improve security. In Java, encapsulation is achieved using private, variable, and public methods. Next one, how to solve a question. Let's think about this example. A car design drawing represents a detailed plan, which the actual car represents a real object. Here the design drawing represents a class and the actual car represents an object. It helps us understand the relationship between class and object. Next one, mind map. In a mind map, these are the mind map summary of all the OOPS concept we learned today. Thank you.